Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can create a new profile in Arc. In order to create a new profile, we can do two things. The first one is right-clicking on the sidebar, and then we can go to Profile and then choose New Profile. And then over here we can set up the name and proceed with a new profile creation. We can also go to the top left corner and click on the Arc icon over here, then go to Settings, and then we have a Profile section where we can click New Profile, and then once again we have the same window. So this time I'm gonna create a new profile, go Next. Over here you can assign spaces that will be used for this profile. So since I have only one space, then I can just simply toggle it, turn it on or off. But let's say I want to set a new profile and use space 1 for this profile. So now we can click Create Profile, and now we can switch up. And there we go. Now this space 1 is used for the newly created profile. So everything that is assigned for this new profile will be used in space 1 and vice versa. So they are now correlated. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!